Hello and welcome to another update video about Render. Yeah, Render is moving in corrective structures here. As highlighted in the last videos, it's not very desirable, but it could if it makes another high above $2.91, which is the this year's high basically. If it makes another high above that level, or actually did we? Yeah, it was this year's high. Then we have the first potential 5-wave move to the upside, yay, on the Render chart, which could put this chart into something like a long-term bullish territory potentially. It's not going to be highly high reliability because this would only be a diagonal, but still we have then a potential 5-wave move to the upside. At the moment, this chart only shows 3 waves up, so it could potentially be something more bearish. In the white wave count, yeah, we have only A, B, C, and it could break down again. Yeah, that is the bearish wave count. That's always likely in a diagonal pattern. So if we that's why we're tracking bullish support. So below 84 cents, I have nothing bullish left on this chart. And below 84 cents, I will have to assume that this ABC structure is in control and it goes to new lows, okay? However, until then, it has a chance to move up either in the yellow count. So in the yellow count, I'm observing currently a potential ABC structure, A wave, B wave, C wave, which could make another low here, all the way down to $1.06 and then move up. Or if this already bottomed, yeah, then it would be the blue wave count, WXY, and it could move up more directly from here. To keep the blue wave count alive, I'm tracking potentially 5 waves, but that's speculative, but it could form an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then it could go. Yeah, this would be a potential breakout wave count, but it needs to break then above $1.81. That's my breakout point here. When it leaves this trend reversal area to the upside, then I think we can say that the wave 4 already bottomed, and then we are moving higher, potentially targeting next. Well, there's a bit of a resistance zone here, but eventually it should target $2.91 and then potentially break above that level. Yeah, to make the blue wave count, or to keep the blue wave count likely, however, it definitely needs to stay above the $1.29 level. At the moment, the uptrend is ongoing. However, I would say already below $1.39, which is this small swing low here that was made on Monday, already below that level, this blue wave count will start to break down, because then it would break below the descending trend line again. And then the yellow wave count is back in control, yeah, which would not be bearish. It would just mean that the standard ABC pattern is unfolding, which should be the standard pattern to track anyway. However, because it broke the trend line, I'm tracking here potential WXY structure, which is a combination pattern, which means it could have finished a little early. And we give it a chance, but only 3 waves up so far. So yeah, don't be surprised if this breaks down. But this shows you all the relevant levels to watch for to keep this blue wave count alive, and also a potential inverse head and shoulders, which might be unfolding here. If we hit that to $1.79 level, then basically get a higher low in a wave 4, and yeah, then, you know, we'll see what happens. That would be ideal. That's certainly a breakout point here, that 23.6 FIB retracement of the third wave. And yeah, basically the upper boundary line of our trend reversal area. That's my update about Render. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to our weekly Sunday live streams. You get access to Discord and Telegram as silver and gold members, where we have a lot of chat rooms and educational content. And as a gold member, you get access to additional short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.